are healthy and safe at home. Today in this video we will start a new chapter of grade 6 science NCERT book, that is chapter number 7, plants, getting to know plants. In this chapter we will know about the plants. Okay, we will study about the different parts of the plants and its function. Now the different parts of the plant, we all know that the leaves, root, stem, flower and stems are there, roots are there. Okay. So now in this one by one we will discuss the functions of these parts. So first is the leaves. To understand this, first of all we will draw the structure of the leaf. Okay. So this is the midrib of the leaves, okay, and these are the veins of the leaves. Now within the leaves there are some small pores are there, okay, like this. Okay, and these pores are known as the stomata. Okay, and from this stomata, the stomata helps in the exchange of the gases. Okay, and it also helps in the exchanging, means to removing the excess amount of the water from the leaves. Okay, and the leaves also helps in the process of photosynthesis. So the function of the leaves is to do photosynthesis, and hence the leaves are known as the food factory. Okay, food factory of the plants. Now how this photosynthesis takes place? Okay, now I will explain you this. First of all, before that I will let's understand the structure of the stomata. We will see the structure of the stomata under the microscope. तो ये कैसे दिखते हैं? Okay. So like this, it is the structure of the stomata is like this. Okay, this is the known as the closed structure of the stomata. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the closed structure of the stomata. First, this is the closed structure of the stomata. Now another one I will draw here, the open structure of the stomata. That is, it is like this. Okay, from this gap or from this pore, the exchange of the gases takes place. Okay, from here to here, oxygen goes out and carbon dioxide gets in from this. So this is the open structure of the stomata. This is the open structure of the stomata and this is the closed structure of the stomata. Okay. And the stomata is also known as the guard cell of the leaves. Okay. Now how the photosynthesis takes place? Before the photosynthesis as हम सभी को पता है कि क्या होता है, it is the process of making the food. So in the very first chapter, means that is the where does it comes from, in that chapter I told you about the ingredients. ingredients that we use to make any particular dish. Okay, what are the ingredients? Ingredients are the materials that we use in some quantity to make a particular dish. So here also photosynthesis is also a food making process. Okay, so in this also we need the plant needs some materials to do photosynthesis. Okay, so let's discuss this. First of all, plant needs what? Carbon dioxide. Okay, that is CO2. Second one, it needs water, that is H2O. And third, it needs sunlight. Okay, sunlight. So now these are the materials, these are the three things that are required by the plants to do the photosynthesis. Now I'll explain you the reaction of it. First is the plant needs, that is carbon dioxide. Okay, here I'm writing the name carbon dioxide. Okay. Second is needed, that is H2O. Okay, that is water. And this reaction takes place. Okay, downward I am writing here because space is not there. So the third requirement is the sunlight. Okay, sunlight. So क्या बनेगा हमारे इससे? सबसे पहले क्या बनेगा? That is glucose. C6H12O6. What is this? This is the ग्लूकोज. ग्लूकोज यानी जो हमारे प्लांट को this glucose is used as a food, okay, by the plants. And the next one is oxygen. And oxygen is, we consume oxygen for the respiration. Okay, breathing के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन को कंज्यूम करते हैं, लेते हैं इसको. Okay, so this is the oxygen. So let's understand it once again, revise it. Carbon dioxide, the plant for the photosynthesis, plant need first carbon dioxide and water. In the presence of the sunlight, it converts this into glucose. Okay, glucose is the food of the plant, and it liberates oxygen. Okay, so this is the process of photosynthesis. Now second, we will understand the function of the roots. Okay, so for this first let's draw the structure of the root. Okay, for example, this is the plant, and this is the root. Okay, this is the root. Now what is the function of it? So first function of the root is what? Fixation. Okay, first function of the root is fixation. Fixation means it helps the plant to get fixed into the soil. Okay, means plant है, root की help से soil में क्या रहता है? Fixed रहता है. So first function of the root is the fixation. Second function of the root is absorption. Okay, absorption. Absorption means the minerals which are present in the soil, so that minerals is absorbed by the roots. Okay, so the function of the root is, second function of the root is to absorb the minerals and the water present in the soil. Now third function is transportation. Okay, transportation means the minerals और the water जो कि soil से absorb किया होता है, वो root क्या करता है, root absorb करता है minerals और water को soil से और transport करने में help करता है to the other parts of the plant. Okay, so the third function of the root is transportation. Now the fourth and the last function of the root is holding the soil. Okay, so जैसे कि बारिश के टाइम पे क्या होता है, डिफॉरेस्टेशन में आता है. डिफॉरेस्टेशन यानी कि क्या होता है, मिट्टी जो है या फिर जो हमारे माउंटेन्स में उसमें क्या होता है, सब बारिश की वजह से सारी मिट्टी क्या हो जाती है, नीचे आने लग जाती है, लूज हो जाती है. बट जो हमारे रूट्स है या जो माउंटेन्स में कहते हैं कि हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्लांट्स लगाना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि वो हमारी जो सॉइल है उसको क्या करता है, होल्ड करने का काम करता है एंड इट प्रिवेंट्स फ्रॉम द डिफॉरेस्टेशन. ओके, तो जितने जितने हम प्लांटिंग करेंगे उसमें क्या होगा, जो उनकी रूट्स है वो सॉइल को होल्ड करके रखेंगे और हमें बारिश के टाइम पे इन द रेनी सीजन it will prevent the deforestation. ठीक है. So these are the four functions of the root. First is the fixation, second is the absorption, third is transportation, and fourth is holding the soil. Now the function of the flower. Okay, so the function of the flower, it helps in the reproduction. ठीक है, जो flower है ये reproduction में help करते हैं. Okay, so the function, here I am writing the function of flower is it helps in reproduction. Okay, जो कि pollination जो होता है उसमें क्या होता है, pollination में जो flower है it helps in that. Okay, so the function of the flower it helps in the reproduction, okay, and in the pollination. So this is the function of the flower. More about the flower means it's the structure, each and every part of the flower I will explain you, and from that you will understand the function of the flower more briefly and clearly. Okay, so the next function is of stem. Okay, so the next function is of stem. Stem में क्या help करता है, stem of any tree we can say. For example, this is a tree. Okay, these are the branches of the tree. Okay, like this I am drawing you. So this is the stem. Okay, now what is the function of the stem? The function of the stem is it helps in the transportation. Okay, the minerals and the water absorbed by the roots, and the root it will transport that minerals and the water to the stem, and the stem will transport this to the branches, and from the branches it will transfer to the leaves. Okay, so the main function of the stem is in the transportation. In the transportation. Okay, now next one is it also helps in giving the support. Okay, it also gives the support to the branches and the leaves of branches को क्या कहते हैं, support भी देता है. So it is the another function of the leaf, means the another function of the stem is to give the support to the branches and the leaves. Now another function of it is perennation. Okay, another function is perennation. पेरिनेशन क्या होता है, जो हमारी स्पेशली पेरिनेशन किस में होते हैं, हमारे एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि जो हमारे मॉडिफाइड स्टेम्स होते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल पोटैटो. ओके, एग्जाम्पल इज द पोटैटो, देन जिंजर, ओके, एंड गार्लिक. ठीक है, ये इसमें ही पेरिनेशन क्या होता है, ये पोटैटो, जिंजर एंड गार्लिक में होता है. एंड दीज आर द मॉडिफाइड स्टेम, okay, of the plant, and these are the edible parts. Okay, pollination means जो स्पेसिफिक क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन होते हैं ये उसमें सर्वाइव करने में हेल्प करता है. So the definition of the pollination means the ability of the organism, especially the plants, to it helps in the germinating, different season of the germinating, especially in the climatic condition of drought and winter. Drought means जो हमारा सूखा पड़ जाता है, drought. Okay, spelling I am writing here, DROUGHT. This is the drought, means the dryness of the soil. जो सूखा पड़ जाता है, जब वाटर, जो हमारी जो सॉइल है, सॉइल में बिल्कुल भी मॉइस्चर नहीं होता है, एंड दैट इज नोन एज द ड्रॉट. सो इट इज अ वेरी स्पेशल कंडीशन, मीन्स कि बहुत ही ख़राब कंडीशन होती है प्लांट्स के लिए टू सर्वाइव. ओके, इस ड्रॉट की कंडीशन में प्लांट सर्वाइव करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. सो द फ्रॉम द पेरिनेशन में क्या होता है, it helps in the plants to survive in this condition. Okay, so now for today it is it. Okay, in the next video will continue this chapter. Till then, thank you, have a nice day.